So in this video, we try to give you an idea on how utilize and maximize your small sweet home. For this video we will focus on the spaces within the house with a dimension of 7 by 6 meters and a total floor area of 42 square meters. So now we will show you the elevation of the exterior of the house. Let's start with the front elevation. Right side elevation. Rear elevation. And left side elevation. It is a bungalow house with a lean-to roof. It has a basic roofing with one slope to minimize water leaks caused by the rain. We use a 3-color combination of white, gray and brown finish. The glossy white paint is used for the entire wall with a gray paint finish on the fill area, also in the canopies located in the window, and lastly for the area below the roofs. We use a brown textured cladding for the accent wall near the entrance of the house. In this house we installed the 2 types of window. The sliding window and awning window with a black painted aluminum frames and tinted glass window. While the doors we installed are panel doors for the entrance and service area and also in the bedrooms, and a polyvinyl chloride or PVC louvered door in the toilet and bath. Let's jump in for the interior of the house. Let's start with the living area. First we put a carpet, a vase with plant, a standing lamp, a center table, a single-seater sofa and a 3-seater sofa. We also add a painting at the wall and a long curtain for the window that match to our minimalist interior look. Now for our dining area. First we put a wooden table, 4 white modern chair, vases as decoration, painting at the wall, and 2 pendant light fixtures with warm light. Next for our kitchen. We installed a dark gray granite for the kitchen counter and backsplash. We add aluminum kitchen sink, laminated overhead cabinets, and a standard refrigerator. Next for our toilet and bath. We add wall-mounted quartz base for our lavatory with mirror, a standard water closet, a shower area, and lastly we put washing machine for laundry. For our bedroom, we put a standard single bed, a side cabinet with lampshade, a full-height wardrobe cabinet, a painting, window blinds, and a split-type aircon. For our master bedroom, we put a carpet and a standard queen-size bed, a side cabinet with lampshade, a full-height wardrobe cabinet, a window blinds, and a split-type aircon. So let's have another look of our dress-up model. The living area. The kitchen. The dining area. The toilet and bath. The bedroom. The master's bedroom. So if you want to know how we build this model, keep watching because now we will share to you the process to build this model in SketchUp. This is a time lapse of the workflow. So let's watch it. And that's it. You may check the video descriptions below for more details about this small house design idea. Go and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. You can also share it to your friends with similar building floor area. If you have any reaction, suggestions, you may leave a comment down below. You may also subscribe in this channel to keep you updated with my future posts. Because in this channel the lesson is worth to be shared. For more videos like this, just like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and see you again in my next video.